everyone. Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Well, I'm glad you're here today. You know, there are some recipes and some foods that just go together. Like ham and cheese, biscuit and gravy. How about pork chops and apples? That's the one I like to. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing pork chops and apples with a little dressing on top. How simple is that and how quick is that? Come home from work. Let's see how hot it's getting. And put the pork chops in. We're just going to put them into the ground. I've already got my dressing made. I'm using box dressing. And they actually have dressing now for pork. So I got a box of pork dressing. And I fix it just like you do on the box. There's a cup and a half of water, 4 tablespoons of margarine, and your topping. Your dressing in the box. And these are my apples. You know, you can use canned apples, and put it on the bottom, but I'd rather use these because I particularly don't like a lot of sugar in it. So I just fix some apples. I put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon in it. So you're ready, and my dressing's ready. So the only thing I have to do is just brown the apples a little bit. And they brown pretty quickly. A lot of people just like applesauce and pork chops, which I do too. You can't beat that either. But the apple just seemed like such a good idea. Okay. Now I'm going to put my apples in the bottom of the dish. Like I said, you just open your can of apples and put them in there. How quick would that be? Okay. The first one. Because they don't have to cook done, remember here. Because they're going to do their cooking in the oven. We're just trying to get them good and brown. Just give them I think, a better flavor. And this really is a good bake meal for us in the evening. Number 2. Dressing can't do anything except make it better. Don't work out good. Still got that minute. browning. See how pretty brown they are? Okay, now let's put a little bit of dressing on each one of them. Those would be so good. The dressing gets brown and there's a little bitty one there. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the rest of this dressing in there where there's room, because people like dressing more than always ask for more dressing. So let's just go ahead and brown that dressing too. It's too good to waste. Okay. So that's our pork chops, apples, and dressing. I'll put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Basically, you know, they're just done. I'm going to lay aluminum foil over it for a few minutes till they get heated up. Then I'll take it off and let it brown. So I will leave the foil on it for about 15 minutes and then I'll take them off. And we'll have pork chops for lunch. Well, it's time to take our pork chops out. They look good and brown, so oh, they are. They're good and brown. I have to tell you though, I kept them in the oven 40 minutes to get them brown like this. It's pork, and I'm scared if I won't get it good and done. You just make sure. Good enough. So, just want to make sure. So, look how pretty they are. Let's get the little one over here. It's a chewy pork chop, but it's sure got a good flavor. Apples make it. Oh, and the dressing's divine. It's a winner. Chicken dinner. Winner, winner. Pork dinner. Anyway, it's wonderful. If you like pork and dressing and apples, it's for you. I've had a good day. I got lunch and a partner coming, a friend coming. So, take care of yourself. remember all those that are hurting and remember the joy in life. It's a bad time for a lot of people. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.